excited to go on the beach. Let me get my drink and I'll sit down. No, I guess I'm getting late. I can't waste any time. I should just go. Yeah, I should leave. Alright, I'm so excited to go on the beach early in the morning because it gives fresh vibes. I should take out my car and go on a long drive, and after that, I'll go to the beach. It's the best day for a beach. And are you guys on your vacation too? Because, yes, I am. Vacations are gonna end soon, so why not let's just go on a beach and enjoy? Because it's a sunny day, no rains, nothing. A perfect time for beach. What are you guys waiting for? Go and enjoy. Here I am in the beautiful island of PKXD. Now I'll get out of a car because, yeah, I should. Alright, right here I'm here and I'll dive into the water. In my suit, ha ha ha. Finally, I got a break because all of the work I'm so. What? What? That's a skeleton. Oh my god, what did I just saw? That's hilarious. Oh my, but that's cute. But that's scary at the same time. Am I so wait, what's that? Is that a shark? Oh my god. She's coming close. Oh my god. I should run away. Why am I took a screenshot of it and this is so scary. But I think I should just ignore it and go on. Alright, so now I'm going ahead and this looks good. It's a basic. Oh, it's not a simple ocean. It's not a simple beach. The shark came again, and what is this ship doing in the ocean? Oh my, oh, what? This is so weird. And the shark came again. Wait, what? A grave deep in the ocean. No, what's that? It's giving shark one by one. Oh my god, why is a shark sleeping in a seashell? This is crazy. Crazy. I mean, I have no words. This is a haunted. Wait. What is a shark doing on the. Wait. It's swimming on the land.